Hey, welcome back to the Ari and Bart show, and today we got a special show for you guys. Ari, tell them about it.
We're gonna make a hot toddy, also known as hot whiskey. My husband's new favorite drink, tea.
Love this thing.
Whatever you want to call it.
Let's get started.
At the time, my husband was having cold flu symptoms.
Get sick once in a while.
Yeah, sore throat and all that, and it worked wonders.
Sure did.
So all you need to make this is lemon, cinnamon sticks, whiskey, and honey. Some people add star anise to it, but I haven't tried it with that.
Me neither, but I love the fact that I got whiskey. That's the main reason why I'm not drinking my signature beer today. So I'm already pounding the whiskey early in the morning. Now we're going to get started making this amazing drink. Let's go.
So I recommend that you just add things in to your taste. But for the ones who like specific measurements, we're going to start with a cup of water.
Okay, let me
pour the cup because I make a mess.
Not just that, but I have a sink here that if anything lands in
pour the water.
A whole cup?
Yeah, 1 cup.
Okay, here we go.
It's a little over.
Sure, over, right? I'll put the whole thing in there. Let's throw. There
we go.
Sure, over. Let me see what we got. Sounds like.
Pour it into your favorite mug. Awesome.
There it is.
All right, so
put that in there.
I like a lot of honey, but you can start with a tablespoon of honey.
Okay, you said honey. Okay, let me give you a hand there. Okay. How many things of honey went into this video?
Let's do 1.
There it is.
There we go.
Okay. And you like a lot of honey, and I like a lot of
lemon.
Lemon. Okay,
but you don't like a lot of lemon.
No, I like a lot of whiskey.
Start with, I don't know, let's say you're just eager to pour that whiskey.
Yeah, I want to put the whiskey in there. It's kind of my favorite part.
3 teaspoons of lemon.
Okay.
No. 1 teaspoon of lemon.
1 teaspoon
to start off with. I would add more.
Okay.
I like more lemon.
But
again,
1 teaspoon is good enough, but some people will go overboard with the. There you go. Look at that. Look at my wife squeezing the lemon. Good. All right, so we got 1 teaspoon of lemon. Now I'll take care of this. Okay. This is this one mine or yours?
This one's you already drank yours.
Yeah. So here we go. 1.
Me, I would probably go with 1.
Let's go with 2.
But with him,
there we go.
I do 3 tablespoons.
Mine is 3.
Yes.
Yes. But
so
for
go ahead and
1 more. All right.
Another one.
There it is. And we all know the honey is amazing for what, sweetie?
It's a antioxidant.
Antioxidant. Look at that.
I mean, it has a lot of.
Oh, did you see how I grouped this whole thing up here? See, that took me forever to do. Oh, there we go. I messed it up.
Yeah.
Well, now.
Yeah, add the cinnamon sticks.
Cinnamon stick, and then we get some of this amazing lime. Difference between lime and lemon. They're all kind of the same thing.
That's a lemon.
Yeah, I'll cut it up for you. There it is.
And now, there you go.
You know what? I'm going to use the same little thing that had the whiskey. Stir all this whole thing in. Give it a taste bud, huh? See how it tastes. You want to taste it first? Here, you try first. All right? Let our viewers know. Ooh, be careful. Nice and hot. Let them know how it tastes.
Yeah, this one's definitely yours.
Let me try that. Matter of fact, I'm going to do...
a lot of... I add more honey. I like a lot of honey. So, to taste. See, when I make this, this is how I do it.
Oh, no, that's perfect. What are you doing?
That's how I make mine. No measurements. I just pour it in there.
That was supposed to be for me.
No, you drank yours already. This one's mine.
Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching
I like mine sweet.
Today's show. Don't forget that we do a giveaway. If you do subscribe to our channel, we're sending some amazing stuff out there. And how does it taste? Let me see here. Try it. This
no, I tried yours already.
Yeah? Let me see. Still pretty good. It's good. The whiskey is what makes that. The whole thing. Thank you guys. Catch you guys in the next one.